Alright, in this video we're looking at conditionals again for code.org, and we're looking at the alien celebration. So if you look at the description here, it says use a conditional to make the alien dance when the spaceship reaches the top of the screen. So currently what we have is the spaceship reaches the top of the screen and the alien doesn't do anything. So we're going to need an if, obviously, and we're going to need an if that's going to keep track of the spaceship's Y location. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drag an if down here. Alright, so now what we need to do is look, because if we hit the grid here, you know, X locations go side to side, Y locations go up and down. So if we're looking to change what the alien does here, what we want to do is keep track of that spaceship, that Y location. So let's go ahead and drag out, well, we're first going to need math because we're going to make it a condition, right? So we're going to say while that number is greater than, well, we don't want to do greater than because actually the Y location goes smaller up this direction. So let's do less than. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drag out one of these .y's and we're going to keep track of the spaceship. That's what we're looking for. And we want to see if that spaceship, let's say if it gets up around here, so this would be a Y location of like 50. So once, well, let's take a look and see how they want it to, actually let's, they don't run a program to see how it works, add the conditional text. So it really doesn't have a number for us. So let's just go with 50. All right, we're just going to say that if that number gets less than 50, so if it passes, you know, this is 100, this is 50. So if it gets up here, once the Y location of that spaceship gets to that point, then what we want to do is we want to change the alien. So currently the alien is standing, and if I give an option here, there's one that's alien dance. So we're going to leave that alien standing right there, and we're going to drag this animation into here, and we're going to say that the alien is now going to be dance. Okay, so what happens is when that spaceship, when the Y location gets less than 50, gets up into this region up here, then the alien should start its dance. Let's go take a look. And because it's in a loop, it's going to dance continually. Let's go take a look. And there we go. So the alien is going to dance. All right, so if we run that again, see how it's not dancing, and now it's dancing. All right, so that's how that one works. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck in your coding.